Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you one trick, and that trick is related to clock setting. Means before using the trick our clock is look like this, means there is no am pm and also there is no second, but after using the trick our clock is look like this. Okay, so let's see how to customize this. And do not forget to like, share and subscribe if my videos is helpful to you. Okay. First go to control panel, then click on clock and region. Then go to region section, click on change time, date, time or number format. Then one box is pop out. Then change the short time format to HSMMTT. Then click on apply. Look, AM and PM are displayed in clock. Okay. After that, change the long time format to HHMMSSTT. Then click on apply, then click on OK. Okay, then what can I do now? I have to enable second time. Okay, let's see how to enable. First go to search box and type registry editor and click on it. Then registry editor windows will open. Okay, then first open the Hackey current user, then open the software, then open the Microsoft. Okay, then open the Windows, then open the current version. Okay, then open the Explorer, then click on the Advanced. After that go to right side and right click on blank space, then click on new, then click on D32 value. Then one new file is created and that file name is new value has one. Okay, then right click on new value, then click on modify, then change the value data 0 to 1. Okay, then click on OK, then rename that file name new value has 1 to show seconds in system clock. Okay, one thing you should remember that it is a case sensitive, so you must type same thing what is given in your screen. Okay, then check the modifier is the value is 1 or not. Okay, then close it, then restart your system. Okay, then you can see this type of time format. Okay, thank you.